Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use Appwrite for free step by step. Appwrite offers a free way to explore its backend development platform, making it a great choice for learning, testing, and building personal or small-scale applications without paying for a subscription. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and visit the official Appwrite website. Click Sign Up or Get Started. Then create a free account using your email address or a supported sign-in option, such as Google or GitHub. Next, sign in to your Appwrite Cloud dashboard and create your first project. Give your project a name, then configure the basic settings. Once the project is ready, you'll have access to Appwrite's core services that are included in the free tier, subject to the platform's current usage limits. Now, explore the available features. You can set up authentication for user sign-in, create databases to store application data, upload files with storage, and deploy server-side code using functions. These tools let you build and test modern web or mobile applications without managing your own backend infrastructure. As your project grows, monitor your usage through the dashboard to stay within the free plan's limits. If you eventually need additional resources or advanced features, you can compare the available paid plans and upgrade whenever it makes sense for your project. And that's it. You now know how to use Appwrite for free and start building backend-powered applications with its core cloud services. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next